here. Thank you. Yes, I made it long.
Dubai International All-Stars.
Sige na guys. 20 more minutes. No, I need to sleep. Ayan na, thank you. Bye-bye na tayo. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Habibi, Habibi. I see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Nixon, thank you for visiting me. See you tomorrow, guys. Already, I say goodbye before. Thank you and I love you. Goodbye. I love you. Goodbye na tayo, guys. Good night. Good night na. I love you. Goodbye. I love. That was na 20 minutes. No, Jess Raka, because I need still my fish in the kitchen. Good night, pretty babe, pretty lady. Tomorrow again, so you will not feel boring on my face and at my step. You will feel boring how I'm dancing if you look at me always. Ayan na, bye-bye na. Love you very much, guys. Ay. Thank you. You do know you can eat with us, right? I cannot do live there because some nationality with me and they don't like live in the kitchen. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Nixon, bye. Thank you for visiting. See you tomorrow. Yes, Rocker tomorrow.